The topic of today's video, how to buy Bitcoin on Bitcoin.com with a debit card. Alright, so here we are on Bitcoin.com, and obviously what you want to click on is the buy Bitcoin option. Alright, so I'm not sure why they would pick this screen to black out, but here we are going to choose the amount of Bitcoin we want to buy, and then we are just going to click on continue. And then it's going to redirect us to MoonPay. And this can take a while. It took easily like 2 minutes for me, so just be patient. And now on this section, we are going to, if you haven't already, add your debit card information onto MoonPay. From here, it's just a case of following all the steps and agreeing to all of their terms, and you are good to go. They will send you your Bitcoin to your Bitcoin.com wallet specifically. I did not see an option to change that, so just keep that in mind. And that's all there is to it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.